today is just not your day. Nothing is going how you want to have it. You're grumpy or you just don't feel good. So get ready, 1 minute, and start to smile. Keep the smile for 1 minute and let it grow. Let it grow inside. Inhale, smile. Exhale. It's getting bigger and bigger. Smile. Really start to smile. It's such a small exercise, but so powerful. Keep smiling. Inhale and smile. Let it even smile brighter. If you want, you can close your eyes and really feel inside what is happening with your emotions. Are you getting more happy? And then think of something what really makes you happy in the last days, maybe in the last months, or whenever it was. Remind yourself. Do you have your biggest smile? Inhale, really feel it. Exhale. Keep it and open your eyes. Share your happiness, share a smile with the next person you meet.